Hello everyone, in today's video we will explore how to map customer journey in SQL. This is a crucial technique for e-commerce business that want to understand each step customers take from browsing to checkout. We will use recursive CTEs to visualize customer journey and identify key points where customers drop off. The purpose of this video is to show you how to track customer interactions on e-commerce sites using SQL. This technique helps business better understand how customers' behavior, which can lead to more targeted marketing and improve conversions. And problem statement, e-commerce platform track a range of the customer action, but mapping to complete journey across season is complex. We need to make a method to capture and order actions chronologically while perceiving each season's follow. Solution overview: we will create a recursive CTE in SQL to manage this journey data, or CTE will help us to identify the path of customer actions within each season and show where customers drop off. Let's dive into the code. First step is create a customer events table. Okay, you can see SQL code for create a customer events table. Contains 5 columns: event ID, customer ID, event name, event date time, and season ID. This setups the customer events table to record each customer action along with the season IDs and timestamps, helping us to track specific events chronologically for each season. And now sample data insertion. The sample data simulates customer actions, site visit, product view, add to cart, purchase, delivery, and returning across multiple customers and seasons, helping to trace the customer's journey in a season. Each customer follows a technique passed through various events on this site. This data enables us to analyze how customers progress and identify common patterns or points where they may abandon their journey. And now we must use the recursive CTE to calculate previous event and time interval for each action for each customer. Okay, let's start the code. Okay, let's start with the event time CTE. Oh, okay. Let's check the customer events table before we start CTE. Okay, you can see five columns in customer events table. Event ID, customer ID, event name. Event name is a different category of action that a customer can have browsing a website. Okay, let's start the city. And now using lag function to find the previous event time for each event within a season. And for next column, using leg function to find the previous event's name between within a session. And now add all events that we need for calculate this journey. Okay, and now we want to calculate a specific time difference between key events. Calculate time difference between events time difference CT uses case statements to calculate a specific time interval between events, such as a time from product view to add cart, between add cart to purchase, and delivery and return, if applicable. Okay, we start with a time difference CTE. And now calculate time for from a product view to add cart. And capture these two purchase from capture the date of purchase for analyze. and finally capture the dates of return for analysis. And last step, aggregate result. In this final query, we use the result from the time differences CTE to summarize each customer decision by calculating the maximum time interval for each event type. I'm going to define a column that show total time from product view to add to cart. Next column is total time for add to cart to purchase. And next, total time from delivery to return if applicable. And the date of the purchase. And finally the date of the return. Okay, and group by based on the two column, customer ID and season ID. And order by based on customer ID and season ID. Okay, time to purchase minutes from the add to cart to purchase. Here is a product view. Here is the difference times between the product view and add to cart, and time difference between the add to cart and purchase. And here time to returns based on the days. Okay, and purchase date and return dates. This tutorial we successfully track customer journey across various stages, from browsing to purchasing and returning by using SQL Recursive CTEs. We were able to calculate the time taken for each stage in the customer journey. This method allows e-commerce platforms to gain insights into customer behavior, helping to improve the user experience. tailor marketing efforts, and optimize conversation rate. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.